We will illustrate how to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone differently. Just keep watching to learn more. Part 2. How to restore WhatsApp backup from Google Drive to iPhone via WhatsApp transfer. After restoring WhatsApp data from the drive to an Android phone, you can use the ideal tool WhatsApp Transfer to copy Google Drive WhatsApp backup to iPhone from Android in just 4 clicks. Part 3. How to restore WhatsApp chat backup from Google Drive and iPhone by email. Open WhatsApp on Android, go to Settings, Chat Setting, Email Chat. Select Messages to move. Choose to include or exclude media. Enter email and click Send. Sign into email on iPhone to find WhatsApp messages. Extra tip: how to back up and restore WhatsApp via Google Drive. Open WhatsApp. Tap 3 dots. Go to Settings, Chats, and select Chat Backup. Choose Backup to Google Drive. Pick Google account and click Allow. Enable Include videos, then click Backup. Restore WhatsApp from Google Drive. Download WhatsApp from Google Play Store. Install the app and open it. Tap Agree and Continue. Enter phone number. Verify code. Click Continue and Restore. Enter name. Click Next.